be doing a broken porcelain doll look with these prosthetics right here. These are just little cracks that I made. The first thing I'm going to do is just wipe the back of the prosthetics with alcohol. Then I'm going to do the same thing with alcohol and just clean up the area on my face. I'm putting prosthete on the back of the prosthetic, just at the center, not on the edges. And then I'm going to put it on my face as well. You want to make sure the prosthete is dried clear before applying it, so I'm going to use a hair dryer to make it go faster. I'm just going to press down right in the middle to make sure it's on. Now I'm going to start gluing down the edges. You want to put the prosthete on both this prosthetic and on your skin. Let it dry clear and then press it down. I press it down from inwards to outwards to prevent any air pockets. Now that the edges are glued down, I'm going to blend off the flashing. So I'm going to make a little cut. Don't cut yourself. I'm going to go in a Q-tip with acetone on it and blend it off. With a Q-tip, I'm going to roll out on the edges to blend out these parts. Rolling outwards. Once the edges are blended, I'm going to seal it with a layer of prosthete. And I'm just going to go over the entire piece. And when you get to the edges, you want to just like taper it off a little so there's not like a thick line of prosthete as well. And now I'm going to load up my powder puff with Benign Neutral Set. I'm just pressing down on it pretty hard so that the powder really gets and settles into like all the little cracks and stuff. This side is done. Now I'm going to do the one on my forehead. That's as good as it's going to get. I try to glue it as close as I can to my hairline. So now I want these to match my skin tone a little better, so I'm going to go in with my Skin Illustrator palette. I'm going to go in with these top colors and spatter it around my face. I'm going to put foundation on, so you can skip this step if you don't have this. I'm going to paint the inside of these black to show the cracks more. Okay, I'm done filling them in. I feel like that took forever. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation and add a little bit of white into it so I can make myself a little bit paler. And then I kind of just got in the zone and I finished my entire makeup, put a little contour and blush, did my eyeshadow, put on some fake lashes, mascara, all of that. And now I'm going in with the Pat McGrath glass skin. I first used a brush, but this tool was a lot better for it. So this is 4 layers of the glass skin, and then this is the finished look. And here's me awkwardly posing, trying to get that doll look. Even though I loved how the mask looked, it immediately started to like peel up right up around my lips when I started talking. So that's kind of the only downside of it.